Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on MooMoo. And if you want to take profit or create a take profit order, we go right here, for example, to Apple. Now search right here for Apple and then you will find right here Apple, and then you are having here the chart of Apple. Then what we're going to do right here is we go to the order panel where we will find the symbol Apple because we just search for that and find Apple right here on the chart. And then we go down where we have session, this session is fine. And then we go to order type and change that to limit order. There we go. Because now we can fill in the price that we want to start buying right there. So let's say if the price goes to 330, I like that one as a nice price. We can fill in right here the quantity. So then we do 1. And then we can also create right here a take profit. And this means that when this price amount will hit, he will automatically close our trade. So we go right here to 350. And that means that when the price is 350, he will automatically close our trade right there. Then right now we click here on trade, and I don't have a real life trading account because I made more than 3K videos on crypto brokers, exchanges, and I won't give every broker my details. But if you're using a real life trading account, you can click right now on buy and then create yourselves the position with a nice take profit. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.